Alright guys, welcome back to another fucking video, man. It's been a long ass time since I posted a video, man. I'm lacking on this shit, man. But today, like every weekend I go see my girl, man. But today it's gonna be a different type of video, a different type of visit. Cause I'm gonna let her drive my baby. We're gonna take it for a car wash, cause it's dirty. I don't like that. And we're gonna drive to the mall, watch a movie, but she doesn't know that we're gonna prank her, man. We're gonna write honk if you're Mexican. And now, being in Chicago, we're gonna get a lot of fucking honks. And that's gonna piss her off, man. So, baby, you see this video later on when it's posted. I'm really sorry, but I had to come good. Alright guys, like always, my sister has to be behind one of the... Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, go get it, go get it.
We tried it.
But this is one of the examples she just did. And I think it looks good, good enough. So, we're gonna do the original right now. And babe, she's behind this too, so let's get started. Let's do it.
I know you bitches still want me, so fuck you, I'm here for a Grammy. I got a bitch in New York, I got a bitch in Miami, I got a bitch in my town. Es your fucking you hoe. No me importa lo que digan, yo sigo siendo el mejor. Demostrar libra por libra.
So we made it to my girl's house and a couple things are on the way, but that's not gonna stop me from pulling this prank, man. So for right now, I'm gonna let my girl drive to the car wash, and I'm not gonna put a poster up yet because I don't wanna. The car wash is 5 minutes away, so I don't wanna like just record for 5 minutes, you know. So we're gonna go to the mall after that, and I'm gonna put a poster up in the bumper, and I'm gonna try not to get caught by her, because if I do, the prank is over. So to get better reactions of her and more honks, I'm gonna let her drive to the mall, which is 20-30 minutes away. Alright guys, so she in the car now, man, and I'm scared, I'm nervous, but you know what, fuck it, I'm just gonna let it. It's a video, you know. Whatever happens, let's go. Just kidding. I'm trying to tell myself not to.
I'm gonna ignore you.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna pretend you're not in here.
Go ahead. I'm just gonna be praying in my head.
Will you pray?
Alright, go ahead. Be careful.
Can you stop?
I'm chill.
No, you're not.
Chill,
Look, mira todo el sudor.
I'm chill. I will pull out to the car wash after she driving. Kinda nervous, but whatever. The car is looking very dirty, especially these rims, man. Look at that shit. Legit. Look, I'm gonna be painting them really soon to black, cause those rims are ugly, right? The rims, look at them. Look at the rims. Look at that shit.
They're old as hell. They even got wrinkles on them.
And he finally cleaned. Clean. Like that. Ooh. Mexican all the way. Look, it's getting started to rain already.
Yep. Look, it's already raining.
This is just every time. Last time we car washed the car too. Last time we washed the car, it rained too. Guys, so she's inside. She's inside right now. Right there. Hold up. Right there. So she thinks that I'm doing something for the car, but little does she know, I'm gonna be fucking pranking the fuck out of her, man. And I'm doing this. What are you doing? What you did that for?
You get scared or what?
No, but I was like, what the fuck? I was fucking. You ready to get on the busy streets now? Hey, go slow. Damn. Shit.
What is wrong with you?
Shit, that was like a fucking 5 mile per hour song. You're going like 30 in it. Una de esas, mira. Shit. Wasn't that nice? You didn't see a truck?
No. Those are nice.
Oh, the black one. That one right there. Why are you stopping?
I'm not.
Yes, you
There was a
are.
bump.
Keep going. You can't do that if you're gonna be on the highway. Guidos. Not at you. What limit you going? Babe, you're going 20 something.
Do you want me to go fast?
Right there. Watch out, it's gonna turn. Put the flare down. No one copyright on my video.
That's the reason why I had to like edit mine so many times.
Did you get copyrighted though?
Yeah, I got.
Well,
blocked.
your video was what, 20 minutes?
No, it was more. It was gonna be like 13 something, and I had to take 2 songs off.
Stay in the middle lane. Hey, chill. Go a little bit faster, I guess. I don't know. Go a little bit faster. Let's go. What are you doing?
Stopping because they were stopped.
Just go. You got good. The car's all the way over there.
People are irritating.
They're whipping you. You're going too slow.
What the
Just
hell?
go! Look at your limit. You're going 20 something. It's 30. Obviously they're gonna beep at you. You're 2 over there. I'm telling you, don't brake too much. That's where they're gonna beep at you. Why are you mad now? I'm telling you, so you don't get beeped at.
You telling me stuff is gonna make me mad.
I'm just telling you. I'm going too fast. Damn. I get scared, okay? As a passenger, I get scared.
What a baby.
But why are you mad?
I'm not. It's just irritating that people beep and then you are like constantly talking. I forgot my rings.
I'm not telling you anything.
No wonder I felt my fingers so naked.
I'm just simply telling you so you don't get beeped at like you did.
Okay, well you want me to be confident, so
And that's why I'm telling you.
Way.
But don't
if I want to go
beep.
30, I'm gonna go 30. If I want to go 20, I'm gonna go 20.
But they're gonna beep and then you're gonna start.
Well, that's why they have cars. They can move.
That's what,
They
and
can
then you're gonna
pass
start
me.
with your attitude with me.
What the fuck is wrong with cars? I swear to God.
Well, how do you think you're doing?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
You don't look too happy. What's wrong?
Nothing.
You're doing better. I'm gonna admit that. Stupid ass.
Get started with Xfinity Internet for $20 a month for 12 months with Plus and Xbox.
Me puse mis botas, me puse mi sombrero, me puse pantalón, camisa de cuadros como los vaqueros. Me monté a mi caballo, subiendo la colina. Para llegar al rancho donde vive mi morenita.
Babe, come over here. Babe,
What do you want?
come over here. You hit the car.
No, I didn't.
That's why you kept getting.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
You come out. You knew that already.
No, I didn't. I haven't even seen it. That's what you were doing this whole time?
What do you mean?
That's what you were doing this whole time? You're an idiot. So you told me you were gonna do this on your friend and you do it to me?
Well, I'm still gonna do it to him.
Honk, if you're Mexican, you gotta just put honk.
I had to get a reason. I thought being Chicago, we were gonna get like a lot, but we didn't. Either people were scared or they weren't savage enough to honk at you.
Honestly, I knew I was doing good.
Okay,
You're
whatever.
an ass for that.
I'm gonna what?
You're an ass.